National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Blount County in Alabama, northern Calhoun County in east central Alabama, southern Etowah County in northeast Alabama, northern St. Clair County in Alabama, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the National Weather Service indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Blountsville to all units of Oaks Bluff and moving south at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Rainbow City, Cleveland, Oneonta, Jacksonville, Springville, Sacs, Fort McClellan, and Glencoe. This includes Interstate 59 exit numbers 154 through 183. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. To report severe weather, call 1-800-856-0758. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Blount and St. Clair. A severe